How can I earn money with the Cryptex referral program? Earning with Cryptex referral program is as easy as ABC. Simply recommend and convince people to join Cryptex to earn a passive income with Cryptex DeFi hybrid contract. If you have people who would like to join, let them join with your referral link. You will earn commissions on their daily rewards. Just let them join with your referral link. Do I have to recruit new members? No. You do not necessarily have to participate in the referral program. You decide for yourself how to reach people. There are many ways to reach people and to tell them about Cryptex DeFi hybrid contract earning opportunities. Here are some. Tell friends, acquaintances, and business partners about Cryptex. Start marketing campaigns such as banner advertising, pop under, Google ads, social media ads, landing pages, and so on. Start seminars or webinars, create your own social media channel, and share your experiences. These are only some of many ways to reach new people. Can I create more than one account? It is strictly forbidden to create more than one account per person. Should we notice any suspicious activities, trying to hold multiple accounts for all accounts connected, the access will be denied. If you can't access your account anymore and you have a proof that you don't hold multiple accounts, please contact our support at info@cryptex.to. What are the benefits of the Cryptex referral program? The Cryptex referral program is extraordinary. It brings a lot of benefits. What else is included? 20 lines referral program. Earn commissions from referrals of your referrals. No limits. Daily earnings. As long as your referrals have active Cryptex DeFi hybrid contracts, you will earn commissions. Marketing materials. Make use of our marketing materials to reach people online. Special solution and bonus program for ambassadors. Special solution and bonus program for leaders and super leaders. How are my referral tracked? We have a shiny, awesome referral page that you can find in your account at referrals, where you can easily keep track of all your referrals. What if my friend forgets to use the referral link or code? Can I still get the bonus? Unfortunately, if no referral link or code has been used, we cannot credit any referral bonus to your account. If you feel that it is a fair mistake, please email us at referral@cryptex.to. Can I put my referral link or code on a website unrelated to cryptocurrency? Yes, you can copy and paste your referral link and or code and share directly with your network. How long is the referral link or code valid for? Neither the referral link nor the code have any expiry date. Is there a monthly minimum referral target? No, there is no minimum target. Is there a limit to how many referrals I can earn bonus for? No, there are no limits to how many referrals you can do. How much can I earn in the referral program? No, there are no limits. How do I join the referral program? Step 1. Copy your referral link or referral code in your account under Referrals. Step 2. Share the referral link or referral code with your friends and let them know to either use the link or enter the code when signing up. I am a leader and would like to participate in the Special Leader Program. What should I do? If you meet the eligibility criteria, Cryptex may send you an invitation to apply for a leader. You can also request an invitation by contacting Cryptex. You can apply at Cryptex too. We will then send you further information or apply online using the form provided specifically for this purpose. It is your job as a sponsor to inform your downline of how Cryptex works and give them the many resources that have already been prepared for them on your behalf. Support is not Cryptex's strong suit. Do your best to avoid having to use it. When registering emails and passwords, it should be written down correctly and saved. Avoid having to change your password. Do not make mistakes here. If you are aggressively contacting support every few days, you are putting yourself at the back of the queue each time. Please wait for them to answer. Withdrawals at the most take up to 8 days. However, it can sometimes take up to 3 weeks.
Keep in mind there are almost 1 million people in Cryptex, and the yes confirmation email must be checked manually. Incorrect sign-ups under someone else, etc., cannot be changed. Commissions go out immediately and automatically to many levels. Contacting Cryptex about this does nothing. It is the mistake of the person. Screenshots of your back office or videos of your back office are to be avoided. This has been the downfall of many businesses. Let's not ruin it for others. If you get an error message that you are still logged into another session, you must wait 30 to 40 minutes before sign in attempts and always be sure to log out. If you are still having trouble, clear your device's cache and cookies and also try on a different device. If you try to make a withdrawal and receive a 3-day cool off period message, this is because you're, you receive an internal transfer and or are trying to withdraw it. This is not allowed. Cryptex is not an exchange service for moving money around. Internal transfers are for the purpose of purchasing contracts. Continue to do this, and you can lose your account. Stacking is absolutely not allowed. You run the risk of losing your account and the contracts you have activated by doing this. So do not stock. No questions about stocking here. Information about stacking can be found in the presentation and the PowerPoint. Avoid terminology such as company or business. Cryptex is a DeFi project. The term investment capital ROI is not correct. There is no investment here. We simply activate a hybrid contract with a non-refundable $100 fee. The starting balance is not given to the member, but from the bank to the hybrid contract. We simply benefit from the proceeds generated during the term we choose, whether it be 2-year, 3-year, 5-year, or 7. We have a marketing project that runs seamlessly, follows basic protocols, and we will all have an amazing experience. And there you go.